Welcome back. Now, in general, when you start a chat with ChatGPT, in some cases, ChatGPT will attempt to guess whether search is needed or whether Canvas is needed and to add it to the conversation. And in some cases, ChatGPT will not recognize the opportunity for either of those tools. You can start the conversation when you know you need writing by going to your Tools area. You can then click on the Canvas tool. That will open up the Canvas tool. You can then give your Canvas tool the query that you want. Once you do that, you can then click Enter. What you'll notice when you request that the canvas opens is that Canvas will then open in the same way that it did when it was an experimental model. That means then that your content will be available to you for editing inside of the Canvas window. You're going to see on the left side all of the instructions to your query and ChatGPT's interaction with you here in this area. You're going to see on the right side writing tools. If you hover over this element, you're going to see the 5 elements that you can use in your writing tool. In order to interact within this canvas, you can still attach a file and upload it to this element of your canvas. You can also view the tools that you'll have available to you, such as creating a picture, searching the web, and then continuing Canvas. You will also have search available to you by clicking this area that says Search the Web. You have the choice of copying this information and placing it inside of your favorite word processing software. You can click this Close button to close it, or you can go to your editing tools to start working with the document in Canvas. So you do have choices when you open up the canvas on ChatGPT. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.